How to remove voice chat from WhatsApp group. In this video, I will tell you about how you can remove voice chat option from WhatsApp group. If you have WhatsApp group and you want to remove voice chat option from your group so that no one can send voicemail in your group. So for that, just open your WhatsApp group that you have. Just click on your group name and then on top right side click on three dots and then click on group permission. Now everything you can edit about your group you available here, but you can see there is no direct option to remove or hide voice chat from WhatsApp group. So what you will do in order to remove voice chat option from your WhatsApp group? So for that, your WhatsApp group must have greater than 256 members. So when there is greater than 256 members, then voice chat option will automatically will be removed from your WhatsApp group. So this is the only way that you can remove voice chat option from your WhatsApp group when your members will exceed from 256 members. So whenever you have 256 members or greater members, your voice chat option will be removed automatically from your WhatsApp. So this is the only way.